Have you ever wondered how two completely different mushroom families can create the same magic molecule? Meet the psilocybe and inocybe mushrooms, both independently evolving to produce psilocybin. This phenomenon is called convergent evolution, where nature finds multiple paths to the same solution. Imagine two unique biochemical factories, each crafting the identical psilocybin molecule. But why do they do this? Scientists believe psilocybin acts as a chemical defense against hungry predators. This discovery could revolutionize drug production, showing us that nature has more secrets to unveil.